In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a pop-up calendar date picker in Google Sheets. If you collect dates in a spreadsheet, a built-in calendar makes data entry faster and cuts down on typos. Let's set it up together so a calendar appears whenever you edit your date cells. Start by opening Google Sheets and the spreadsheet where you want to use the calendar. Click the cell where people will enter a date. If you want this for more than one cell, you can select a whole range now, but don't worry, you can adjust the range in a moment. At the top of the screen, open the Data menu. From there, choose Data Validation. This opens a panel on the right where we'll define the rule that triggers the date picker. Click Add Rule to create a new validation rule for your selection. In the Apply to Range field, confirm the cell or range you want. You can type something like A2A to cover an entire column, or A2A100 for a specific block. This is useful if you expect ongoing entries and want the calendar available throughout a list. Next, go to the Criteria section and open the drop-down. Select Is Valid Date. This tells Sheets to only allow date inputs in the selected cells. It also enables the pop-up calendar when you edit those cells, which is exactly what we want. With this in place, anyone typing in that cell will be guided toward a correct date, and manual mistakes like entering text or impossible dates will be caught. Click Done to save the rule. Then close the data validation panel using the close icon so you're back to the sheet view. Now let's test it. Double-click the cell you prepared. You should see a calendar pop up right away. Use the arrows to navigate months, click the date you want, and it will populate the cell automatically in your sheet's date format. If you prefer to type, you still can. And the rule will check that the entry is a valid date. A couple of quick tips as you use this. If you don't see the calendar, make sure you're double-clicking a cell covered by the rule and that the criteria is set to Is Valid Date. If you need the calendar across many rows, it's easiest to set the range broadly in the Apply to Range field from the start. And if a value is rejected, it's usually because it isn't recognized as a date. Choose from the calendar to fix it instantly. That's it. Your pop-up date picker is ready to go in Google Sheets.